Hi, my name is Isha. My top 5 podcast is all about YouTubers. Start with number 5, Darman. It's a storytelling YouTuber that acts. Number 4, My Story Animated. She animates stories. She has 12 million subscribers. Number 3, Oscar Gillicuddy. He edits Peppa Pig. Number 2, Luke Davidson. He plays Minecraft. Number 1, I couldn't finish it.
Hi, my name is James. Welcome to James Plays. I've made the list because I like YouTube. You should listen to this because who doesn't like YouTube? Here's my top 5 YouTubers, starting with number 5, Carl, because he's funny. Next up, number 4, Preston, because he plays Roblox. In 3rd place, we have Dream, because he plays Minecraft. In 2nd place, we have Do Perfect, because they play basketball. In 1st, we Mr. Beast, because he gives away money. Tune in for next time, but don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell. And make stay an adventure. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Adam. Welcome to Adam's Minecraft World. Today I am talking about my top favorite Minecraft map. It is at Warden. First up, Warden. It can attack you with a supersonic swing. Next up, Witherstorm. It can eat blocks, and it has different stages, forms. Finally, Ender Dragon. It shoots dragon's breath, and when it hits you, you lose half a heart. That's it for today. My favorite Minecraft tune in next week. I'll be talking about blocks. Bye.
Charlie here. Today I'm talking about Dago, and my favourite YouTuber. Farming Simulator is one of my favourite things to watch. Dago makes loads of funny videos about Farming Simulator. Dago is 24. He has 822 followers and subscribers, and he also makes videos about machinery restore. That's my recommendation for my favourite YouTuber. Thanks for listening. I'm Charlie. Tune in next time when we will be talking about bosses tops. Bye.